Hello children, let's learn some colors. Pink color, dark blue color, dark pink color, orange color, brown color, light green color, rose color, lavender color, yellow color, red color, green color and blue color. In this video, let's learn ABC with birds name. A for African grey parrot. A. B for blue jay. B. Letter B. C for cardinal. Letter C. D for duck. E for eagle. Letter E. F for flamingo. Letter F. G for goldfinch. Letter G. H for heron. I for ibis bill. Letter I. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J for jabiru. K for kingfisher. L for lorikeet. M for macaw. N for nightingale. O for owl. P for pigeon. Q for whale. R for rooster. J. K.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go.
Q. R.
school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules.
S.
Made the children
S
laugh
for
and play,
sparrow.
laugh and play, laugh and
S.
play. It made the children laugh and
T.
play to see a
T
lamb
for
at school.
toucan. P.
And so the
U.
teacher turned
U
it
for
out, turned
ultramarine
it
grosbeak.
out, and so
U.
the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered
V.
near and waited
for
patiently
vulture.
about, patiently about,
V.
patiently about, and waited patiently
W.
about till Mary did appear.
W for woodpecker. W.
Why does the
X.
lamb love Mary so?
X for
Mary so,
Xanthus
Mary so.
hummingbird.
Why does the
X.
lamb love Mary so? The eager children cry.
Y.
Why Mary loves the lamb, you know.
Y for
Lamb, you know.
yellow warbler.
Lamb, you know. Why
Y.
Mary loves the lamb, you know.
Z.
The teacher did
Z for
reply.
zebra finch. Z.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb,
S.
little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece
P.
was white as snow.
U. V. W. X. Y. And Z. In this video, let's learn the numbers and let's count the coins. Let's remove all the coins and start from first. Number 1. Yellow color. One ball. Number 2. Pink color. One, two balls. One coin. 1, 2 coins. Number 3. Light green color. One, two, three balls. 1, 2, 3 coins. Number 4. Orange color. One, two, three, four balls. 1, 2, 3, 4 coins. Number 5. Light blue color. One, two, three, four, five balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 coins. 1 coin. 2 coins. 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 coins. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 coins. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 coins. Thank you for watching, children. Please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. See you all in the next video. Bye bye.